In the complex world of medical advancements, new technologies constantly emerge, offering more precise and less invasive ways to understand human health. One such advancement that has garnered significant attention, particularly in prenatal care, is the Nifty test. For anyone looking to understand this test, especially from a clear, educational standpoint, grasping its full name and purpose is the first step. So, what does Nifty test stand for? Nifty is an acronym that means Non-Invasive Fetal Trisomy Test. This full name immediately gives us a strong clue about what the test is, how it works, and what it aims to achieve. As a project manager, I always look for clarity and breaking down complex terms into understandable components. Let's dissect each part of the Nifty acronym to fully comprehend its significance. Non-invasive, the gentle approach. The non-invasive part of Nifty is perhaps its most appealing and revolutionary aspect. In medical testing, invasive procedures typically involve entering the body carrying inherent risks. For prenatal testing, traditional invasive methods like amniocentesis or chorionic villus sampling, CVS, involve inserting a needle into the uterus to collect fetal cells. While highly accurate, these procedures carry a small but significant risk of complications, including miscarriage. Non-invasive means the test does not require such direct intervention. The Nifty test only requires a small blood sample from the pregnant mother. This makes it incredibly safe for both the mother and the fetus, eliminating the risks associated with invasive procedures. For expectant parents, this translates to reduced anxiety and a much more comfortable testing experience. Fetal. Focusing on the baby's health. The fetal part clearly indicates that the test is concerned with the health and genetic makeup of the developing baby. During pregnancy, tiny fragments of the baby's DNA, specifically DNA that originates from the placenta, circulate in the mother's bloodstream. These are known as cell-free fetal DNA, cffDNA. The Nifty test leverages this natural biological phenomenon. By taking a sample of the mother's blood, scientists can isolate and analyze these cffDNA fragments. This allows them to gather information about the baby's chromosomes without ever having to directly interact with the fetus itself. This innovative approach is a marvel of modern molecular biology. Trisomy. Identifying chromosomal conditions. The trisomy in Nifty refers to a specific type of chromosomal abnormality. In a typical human, each cell contains 23 pairs of chromosomes, for a total of 46 chromosomes. A trisomy occurs when there is an extra copy of a particular chromosome, resulting in 3 copies instead of the usual 2. The most well-known trisomy is trisomy 21, which causes Down syndrome. Other common trisomies that the Nifty test screens for include trisomy 18, Edwards syndrome, a severe condition associated with significant developmental delays and various health problems. Trisomy 13, Patau syndrome, also a severe condition, often leading to serious birth defects. Beyond these common 3, many Nifty tests can also screen for other chromosomal abnormalities, including those involving the sex chromosomes, X and Y, and sometimes even certain microdeletion/microduplication syndromes. The ability to detect these conditions early in pregnancy, often as early as 10 weeks, allows parents and healthcare providers to make informed decisions about the pregnancy and prepare for potential challenges. Test. A screening tool, not a diagnosis. Finally, test indicates its purpose. It's important to understand that the Nifty test is a screening test, not a diagnostic one. This is a critical distinction in healthcare, especially in project planning for medical services. Screening tests identify individuals who have a higher chance or risk of having a particular condition. They are designed to be highly sensitive, meaning they are good at picking up most cases. Diagnostic tests confirm the presence or absence of a condition with very high certainty. If a Nifty test result indicates a high risk for a trisomy, it does not definitively mean the baby has the condition. It means there's a strong likelihood, and a follow-up diagnostic test like amniocentesis or CVS would be recommended to confirm the result. The Nifty test significantly reduces the number of women who would need to undergo these more invasive diagnostic procedures, as it helps filter out those who are at low risk. Relevance for project managers, especially in healthcare. For a project manager working in the healthcare sector, understanding tests like Nifty is crucial, even if you're not directly in a lab coat. Technology integration projects. If you're managing a project to implement new genetic testing services in a clinic or hospital, understanding Nifty's technical requirements, e.g., blood sample handling, lab processing, bioinformatics analysis, is key to resource planning, vendor selection, and timeline management. Patient communication projects. Developing clear communication strategies for explaining complex medical tests like Nifty to expectant parents is a project in itself. This involves creating accessible language, training staff, and designing informational materials. Risk management. Knowing the non-invasive nature significantly reduces patient risk compared to older methods, which is a major positive factor in healthcare project risk assessments. However, understanding its screening nature means managing expectations that a positive Nifty result still requires confirmation. Service delivery optimization. Integrating Nifty into existing prenatal care pathways requires careful planning of patient flow, sample logistics, result delivery, and follow-up counseling. Stakeholder engagement. Educating doctors, nurses, and administrative staff about the benefits and limitations of Nifty is a critical stakeholder management task to ensure smooth adoption and accurate information dissemination.